Hey everyone, this is Scott Welch with Welch Law. Today's question is, what do I need, a will or trust? The answer to that question is another question. What do you want? You see, the reality is that both estate planning tools are very good tools, but it really comes down to what you want to accomplish with each. So on the one hand, we have a will, which is kind of our starting point for estate planning tools. And the will is a document that we create today that becomes effective upon your passing. That document will guide the court and your executor and tell them who you want to receive what stuff. And more importantly, that document will also tell the court and your executor who you want to raise your minor children. So at a fundamental level, this document is very important because it's you're telling the court, you're telling the judge who should take care of your stuff and who should take care of your children. If you don't do that, then you fall into what's called intestacy, and that's where the court decides who's going to take care of your kids, and that's where the state legislature has already decided who gets your stuff, right? So that's the will. On the other hand, we have our trust. And our trust accomplishes much of the same things the will does, but a lot more. From a technical standpoint, you don't have to worry about probate typically with a trust. You get to avoid that. So it's a contract between you and your trustees. And then it also allows us to do some more advanced estate planning, a little bit more advanced processing, right? So if I have a child who's 6 when I create these documents and I pass away when they're 10, the trust allows us to stretch their distributions, to stretch their inheritance out over a course of years. So instead of them receiving everything at 18 or 21, maybe now they're getting it at 25 or 30 or 35, or maybe some division in between those. So a certain percentage at 25, a certain percentage at 30, and then final get everything at 35. So it's a tool that allows us to stretch things out a little bit and also have a little bit more control over the process. So really the question, going back to do I need a will or trust, comes down to what do you want? What are your concerns within your family, within your relationships, with your children? How old are they? Do we have minor grandchildren we're also concerned about? A lot of things come into play. So the best advice I can give is talk to an advisor that you trust. Talk to somebody who's going to help you walk through that path and give you the guidance that you need in making the decision. So again, this is Scott Welch with Welch Law. Please check out more of our frequently asked questions on our website at www.welchlawllc.com, and feel free to give us a call if you have any questions. Thank you.